the Speaker?
Yes.
Did you resign?
That matter is the motion that is in court.
No.
And then I will not
I'm
answer
asking a question.
it
Just answer.
Yes.
Did you resign?
Not resign.
Yeah, of course, yes.
You resigned from being an MCA?
Yes, I did a letter. And wherever I did with it.
I want you to say yes or no. You are still an MCA.
Until the IPC declares all the yeah. I did a letter.
Through the chair.
Okay, we'll interpret.
Through the chair. I'd like to remind Nyabaro that he's under oath. He's still under oath.
Yes.
And he's lying through his teeth.
Okay.
To this committee.
You're under oath, and I think that will take you back. So on serious note.
I pray, Chair, that you repeat that question to him.
You are a member of Parliament. I mean, the County Assembly of Nyamira. Say yes or no. You are a member.
As at now.
Yes.
Yes, because I'm a
that's
member.
it.
Because
Order.
you know, under Section County Government Act, Section 7B,
that will be done by our team.
a speaker is a member, an ex officio.
No, you are an elected member of the assembly. Elected member or nominated.
Elected.
Specifically, Ekerenyo what?
Okay. Have you been a member of? I mean, any one time or now? Were you a deputy speaker?
Deputy speaker, yes.
Before you resumed this one.
Yes.
You are deputy speaker.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And then after that, acting speaker.
And now?
Yeah.
Not acting.
And now elected as a speaker.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you are still an MCA.
I did a resignation.
Okay. We will interpret that one. Okay.
Through the chair.
The question whether they forwarded it or not.
Through the chair and through your legal team.
Parting shot, Honorable
Chair,
Chair.
there is
No party shop.
Chair,
We have time back.
there is a matter.
Honorable Chair, if I can't say this.
Mine was not answered. I was told the mess is. People shouted and said we are here.
Yes.
I wanted to know from the sergeant at arms. From the sergeant at arms. From the sergeant at arms that the mess has always been with that camp.
Yes.
So the only time it left Nyamira is when it came here.
Yes.
You submit these things. You want to tell us which is which? Which is the original one and you're saying the one is illegal? Which one the mess? Are they two? Which is genuine and which is not genuine?
The other team have theirs. They have, and we wanted them to.
Honorable Chair, if we dwell on that, because I don't find it prudent for the honorable members to talk about the mess.